Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jasmine. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. As you can see, I went back to locks. These are actually micro locks and they're so easy to manage. One of the things that I really love about it is that I'm able to style them and treat them as if they were loose hair. So I really love that, and it gives me a lot of versatility. I'm pretty sure that I can put in some box braids on this hair, so it's really exciting. The possibilities are endless. I can't wait to explore what I can do with my hair. By the way, this is actually a twist out that I did on my hair. They look so good. I'm so excited. Today I would like to give you guys like 5 tips to maintain micro locks. Let's dive into it. Okay, so the first tip is to keep your hair hydrated. It's really important because you don't want to have dry hair, and if your hair is dry and you have micro locks, they're gonna be stiff, and nobody wants stiff hair, especially not me. So I keep my hair hydrated as much as possible using light leave-in conditioners and a lot of water. Second tip, you should always use some oil after the hydration. So make sure that you seal in the moisture into your hair with a nice oil. I really love using castor oil as my sealant, but you can use whatever oil is preferable to you. So yeah. Number 3, you should always use, like, really Shadow? Now? Can you believe him? Always use a satin scarf whenever you go to bed so that your hair doesn't get dry, because you know cotton is not really good for the hair. So make sure you cover your hair, or you cover your pillowcase with a satin scarf so that your hair can glide on it and that it doesn't get frizzy or tangled. Because yes, this can get tangled. So let's try to avoid that. Number 4, one thing that I can't stress enough is choosing the right conditioner and shampoo for you, because this can literally make or break your hair. So for example, for myself, one of my favorite brands is Maui Moisture, just because their products are always aloe vera based, and there's like no parabens, no silicones, no gluten, no mineral oils, no synthetic dyes. So this brand is actually really good and it works wonders with me. So basically this was me yesterday, and as you can see, my hair was very dry and brittle. But then I was able to use Maui Moisture's Nourish and Moisture plus coconut milk shampoo and conditioner, which worked wonders on my hair. What's really amazing about this collection is that it uses a lightweight blend, which means you don't need to worry about any residue buildup, which is perfect for locks. It moisturizes your locks while providing shine. Isn't that amazing? This collection was formulated for people with normal to dry hair. But can you peep my curls real quick? I mean, mind you, I have type 4C hair. Curls like these don't come by often. I'm really impressed. So like I said, guys, I don't think that I can stress enough that choosing the right shampoo and conditioner is very important when it comes to maintaining healthy hair. So make sure that you do that. My fifth tip. Number 5 is to always love your hair, because I feel like my hair is kind of like a plant. And you guys know that I'm a plant mom, so whenever you give love to your plants or to your hair, it grows better, it grows healthier. So just love yourself, love your hair, and yeah, this is it. Take this home and apply this to your life, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.